Let's talk about something most homeowners hope they never have to deal with: sewer line repair. The good news? Trenchless methods are faster, cleaner, and less disruptive than you might think. If your sewer line is cracked, collapsed, or invaded by tree roots, you don't necessarily need to dig up your whole yard. Trenchless sewer repair is a game changer. It uses advanced techniques like pipe bursting or CIPP, cured-in-place pipelining, to fix the problem underground without tearing up your yard. Pipe bursting involves pulling a new pipe through the old one while breaking it apart. CIPP, on the other hand, inserts a flexible liner coated with resin into the damaged pipe. Once it's cured, you've got a brand new pipe inside the old one. No excavation required. These methods are fast. Most jobs wrap up in a day or two, depending on the length and complexity. And because there's minimal digging, cleanup is easy. No trenches, no ruined driveways. As for cost, trenchless repairs range from $3,000 to $6,000, but can go higher, depending on the project. It's not cheap, but it's often more affordable than traditional excavation, especially when you factor in landscaping costs. Bottom line? If you're facing sewer issues, trenchless repair offers a cleaner, quicker, and more efficient solution that leaves your property intact. Call Pioneer Plumbing and Heating today at 604-872-4946 or visit www.pioneerplumbing.com.